features. We'll also have an app walkthrough, a basic understanding of equity delivery, what is MTF, what is futures and options. And also we'll talk about HDFC Securities Research, which is there in the market for more than 20 plus years now. Okay. So these are some basic things which we'll cover today in the Onboarding Essentials webinar. Before moving forward, I would like to share a disclaimer with you. Request you to read the
Abhay,
disclaimer
sorry to
carefully.
interrupt you, but as I can see here, there are no attendees
Okay, on YouTube.
on YouTube also. So we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
Let's wait. Yeah, let's wait till 12:05. Okay.
Abhay, I think you can start. We have like 5 or 3 participants on YouTube, so you can just start.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to today's Onboarding Essentials webinar. In today's webinar, we'll talk about HDFC Sky products, pricing, and features. Also, we'll have an app walkthrough um, for the HDFC Sky app. We'll also have a basic understanding of equity delivery, what is margin trading funding, and what is futures and options. And also, we'll talk about HDFC Securities Research. Before moving forward, I would like to share a small disclaimer with you. Request you to read it carefully. All right. So first of all, talking about Sky pricing. Okay, HDFC Sky pricing. Okay. So there are no trading account opening charges. So whenever you open an account with HDFC Sky, we do not charge you any account opening fee as such. Okay, there are a lot of brokers in the market. They charge you account opening fee like 200, 500, 300. Okay, depending on the broker. So, but at HDFC Sky, we do not charge you anything. Okay. Talking about intraday delivery and derivative brokerage. Okay. The brokerage is 20 rupees per order. Okay. So if you're trading in intraday, if you're taking a delivery position or, trading in derivatives, the brokerage would be 20 rupees per order. Okay, if you're trading in currency commodity, again the brokerage is 20 rupees per order. Okay, account maintenance charges, that is AMC, that is 20 rupees per month. But for the first year, the AMC is absolutely free. Demat transaction charges is 20 rupees. Okay, call and trade charges, which means that if you don't want to place any position, you know, on the app, on the website by yourself. Okay, you can anytime call us. We have the facility wherein you can call and place the trade. However, there would be call and trade charges, that is 20 rupees per call. Okay. Buy stocks, pay later, that is MTF, is at 12% per annum. I will talk about MTF in detail in the upcoming slides. Okay, and explain you in detail what exactly MTF is. Best part of about HDFC Securities is that ETFs is 0 rupees per order. Okay, so any order which is placed in the ETF category, that is exchange traded funds, the brokerage is zero, so we do not charge you anything if you place your order in ETFs. Okay, so that's something which we only offer in the market. Okay, so these are some charges about HDFC Sky. Okay, the most commonly asked question what we get, when a person opens his account. Okay, is that how he can trade in FN. Okay. So before trading in FNO, it is important for you to activate your derivative segment. Okay. If you do not activate your derivative segment, you won't be able to place any order in FNO segment. Now, activating derivatives is very simple on HDFC Sky. Okay. If you have the app, it's very good. If you don't have the app, uh, request you to download the app. Okay, go to the App Store or Play Store, type HDFC Sky, and you will be able to see HDFC Sky app. Request everybody to download the app. The reason being is because the app is very user friendly. Okay, you can manage your trades, you can manage all your transactions on your fingertips on the app. Okay, and one more benefit of having the app is that you get regular updates about our new features, our new offerings, and any other updates with respect to trading, with respect to regulators, and with respect to any other account information. You get instantly on the app. So request you to download the app so that you don't miss any opportunity or you don't miss any information at your end. So uh, once you log into the app, okay, you go on home screen. Okay, on the top left hand side, you have a hamburger. If you click on the hamburger, the next page what comes is the profile settings. You simply go on the profile settings, click on profile settings. You will get an option to activate segments. Now you will get this option if you don't activate your segment during the account opening journey. A lot of people activate it during the account opening journey, which is a very good thing. However, if you don't, so you'll get an option here, activate segments. Okay, and by default it would be cash. Once you click on that, it will redirect to a new page called as activate new segments. Now you would have three options here. Okay, bank statement via OTP, upload salary slip, and upload latest ITR copy. Now, the easiest option, okay, easiest and quickest option for you is the bank statement via OTP. Okay, if you simply click on there and do next, I will show a video what exactly happens here. Okay, I'll play this video here and I'll explain you how exactly, how simple it is. Via OTP, automatically your details will be fetched and automatically a request will be taken for activating your derivative segment. Okay, provided that the list of banks um, the bank account which you linked to your demat account are from the mentioned bank here, the 17 mentioned banks here. Okay, so I'm just playing the video. All right. So you saw in the video that how easy it is, to activate your derivative segment. Okay. With two-step verification, just by inputting your OTP, automatically your bank account statement is fetched, and the request is taken for activating your derivative segment. So once you submit a request, it takes approximately 24 to 48 hours for your request to get accepted once your account details are thoroughly scrutinized. Okay, so that is that is what it was about activating your derivative segment. Okay, coming next to is that how to activate MTF, that is DDPI. Okay, first of all, what is DDPI? DDPI is nothing but demand, debit, and pledge instructions. Okay, so why it is important for any investor or trader to activate his GDPI? Okay, I will explain that in detail here. And also, what exactly MTF is, what happens when what are the benefits of activating the DDPI is something what I'm going to explain here. Okay, so as as I mentioned, DDPI is nothing but demand, debit, and pledge instructions. Okay, now what happens is whenever you open an account, okay, and you start trading, you start buying and selling the shares, okay. When you buy the shares, so you don't have any problem. But when you sell any shares, okay, whenever you sell any shares, you are asked to uh, enter a T-pin which is provided by CDSL uh, when you open the app, when you open the account. Okay, and also you have to enter the OTP. So whenever you do a sell transaction, okay, whenever you have uh, whenever you do a sell transaction, OTP is something which is asked for you to input. Okay, so to avoid this hassle, now this CDSL T-pin is given to you when you open the account, as I mentioned. Okay. Uh, a lot of times what happens is you don't end up remembering what the T-pin is, or you don't have that handy when you are selling the shares. Okay. So it is important for you to, uh, be on your toes for this particular process, having the T-pin and entering the OTP. Sometimes you are doing any transaction on the web and you don't have your phone, okay, or for that matter, you don't have an internet card, I mean, your SIM card is not in a range or something like that, the OTP won't come. To avoid this hassle, what you can do is you can simply activate a DDPI. Once you activate a DDPI, you won't be asked to enter any TPIN or any OTP for every sell trades. Okay, this particular process will get eliminated. The second benefit is that you unlock buy stocks, pay later facilities. That is MTF. I'll explain what exactly MTF is in detail in the next slide. Third is cashless trading. Now, what is cashless trading? I'll just explain in a few minutes. Now, let's take an example that you have 1 lakh worth shares in your portfolio today, and you want to take a trade, okay, in XYZ stock, and the trade amount is around, let's take, it's around 70,000. Okay, but currently you don't have any funds in order to take that position. Okay, you don't have any liquid funds in your bank account which you can add it to your demat account, and then you can take a position. Okay, that is how it works. But however, you have 1 lakh worth shares which are already present in your trading account. What you can simply do is you can pledge your existing stocks and you can get additional margin for trading without adding more money. Okay. Now, for example, if you pledge your 1 lakh stocks, okay, after certain haircut, you will get a margin, additional margin of, let's say, 60, 65,000, 70,000. Okay. Now that 70,000 you can utilize in order to take any trade which you wanted to. Okay. So here what happened is that you were able to take a position without adding any funds, okay, into your demat account. Also, why? Because you were already having 1 lakh rupees and you were able to place that because you had activated your DDPI. Okay. So cashless trading facility is something which gets activated when you enable your DDPI. Okay. So these are the major three benefits of activating the DDPI. Okay. And also one more important point to add here is that we don't charge you anything for activating DDPI, unlike other brokers in the market. Okay, so they charge you a nominal fee, okay, to activate your DDPI, but we do not charge you anything at HDFC Sky. Now I'll show you a slide portraying how you can activate your DDPI. Okay. Again, once you go on the app, okay, you on the home screen you'll find this page saying unlock a DDPI, not a page but a small icon, a small bar saying unlock DDPI and trade stocks with ease. Okay, what you have to simply do is click on enable now. Once you click on enable now, uh, there would be a screen popping up. This option you will get in the uh, profiles option also. Sorry, I beg your pardon. In the hamburger, wherein we earlier we saw that in order to activate your segment, you go click on the hamburger. So when you go on the hamburger under the MTF, you will find this option. However, on the home screen also you have this option. So you click on enable now. You have the screen saying the benefits of activating it. Okay. Simply click on authorize now, put your Aadhaar card details, send OTP, confirm the OTP, okay, and your request will be received. So it may take up to 2 working days to complete the process, okay. And once your DDPI is activated, you will be notified, okay. Once that is activated, your MTF facility is activated, okay. What exactly MTF facility is? Now let's learn that in this slide. Okay. Now let's take an example that let's first of all let's take an example that currently uh, let's take an example that currently MRF is trading at 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and you want to buy stocks worth 4 lakh rupees. Okay, but in your account you only have 1 lakh rupees. Okay, but you're willing to buy stocks worth 4 lakhs. Now the remaining 3 lakhs would be leveraged and would be given by us, that is HDFC Securities Sky. Okay. And you will be able to buy stocks worth rupees 4 lakhs. Now, uh, what are the benefits and what are the key features of this? Now, first of all, if you're taking position in MTF, okay, you have the facility of long holding period that is up to 275 days. Okay. Now, what MTF does to you is it enhances your purchasing power. Okay. Also by pledging existing stocks. Okay. And, it also give you an opportunity for higher returns. Okay. Now, how it gives you an opportunity for higher returns? Let's understand this with an example. Okay. Obviously, as we saw that your purchasing power is increased by 4x now. Since you have only 1 lakh rupees in your trading account, now the remaining 3 lakh is provided by us. Then, hence, your purchasing power is increased. Okay. How you are able to uh, get an opportunity for earning higher returns is like, let's take an example. As I said, let's assume that the stock currently, as you took an example of MRF, that the stock rises 10% in the next 2 months. Okay. You're taking a position today, which is 25th. After 2 months, that is in June, on June 25th, you see that the stock price is, um, uh, it rises by 20%. Now, here, if you see, if you would have taken the position of worth 1 lakh, which was your initial trading balance, okay, wherein you would be able to purchase only one stock, but in this case you purchase four, your your profit would be 20,000, that is 20% of 1 lakh. Okay, but since now the position is worth rupees 4 lakh, your profit is 80,000, which is 20% of 4 lakh. Okay, so automatically your returns are higher, than the one which, if compared to not taking any position in MTF compared to a normal delivery plan. Okay. Now, since we are giving you this leverage, okay, this leverage would, we'll be charging interest for this. Okay. Now, what is the interest? It is very nominal, that is 12% per annum, that is 1% per month. Okay. Now, let's take an example. No, sorry. As I said, if the stock rises, 20% in the next 2 months, okay, you have the position, and you earn 80,000 rupees. Okay. Now, on 3 lakh, as I said, 1% per month, that is 20%, that is 2% in 2 months. Okay. Up 3 lakh ka 2% will become 6,000. Okay. 6,000 would be the interest what you would be paying for the next 2 months, and assuming that the stock rises 20%. Okay. So eventually your profit would be 80,000 minus 6,000 is 74,000 is something what you'll earn. Okay. Uh, so automatically, even if you're paying interest, you're able to achieve higher profits because the interest is very nominal. And if you compare with 1 lakh, so 1 lakh पे 74,000, because आपने तो 1 lakh ही लगाए थे, 1 lakh पे 74,000 if you're earning, that is 74% returns. So that is the reason MTF is a very, very, very good facility. Okay. One should surely leverage it if you're confident enough in investment and in trading. Okay. Normal delayed interest charges of 1%, okay, per month if the interest is delayed or something. Okay. And the interest what we are providing is very, very competitive, okay, very low in the industry, in the market. Okay. Other brokers charge you 16%, 18% per annum, but we at HDFC Sky are charging you 12% per annum. Okay. So surely explore MTF. Okay. Uh, I'm just showing you the technical performance of FY25. Okay. So we have a very exhaustive research team. Okay. there in the market for the last 20 plus years. Okay. So our success ratio has always been, about 60-65%. Okay. Average return is a very good return what we give. Okay. So you can see here the calls given, total calls closed, how many positive calls, how many negative calls, the success ratio, what was the average return for the calls given, okay, average number of trading days, how many trading days these particular calls were either, reach target, or either hit stop loss, or, how many days it took basically. So, yeah, this is a performance for technical performance for 25. October to December 24 is this performance. Okay, beg your pardon. So this is 24, sorry. So these are the performances. Okay. Now what I'm doing is going to share my app. Okay. We'll just have an app walkthrough. Okay. So to see, you know, so let's have an app walkthrough now. Okay. To just a moment, I'm just sharing my screen. All right. So I hope the screen is visible to everybody. Okay. Now, again, just to remind you, if you don't have the app, request you to download the app. Okay. So that you are able to explore all the things. Just a moment. All right. Okay. Great. So yeah, once you log into the app, this is the app interface. Okay. We have the home screen, watch list. Okay. We have the where to invest section. If you are new, new to the market, you lack some certain knowledge about trading, about investments, you can definitely explore the where to invest option, wherein we have expert recommended stocks given to you. Okay, you have the portfolio section and you have the order section. Now let's go to home. On the home page, you have you have two sections: the equity section, the mutual fund section. If you click on mutual funds, you will be able to see the expert recommended picks by our research team. Okay, these are the expert recommended mutual funds which you can explore. You can view all. Simply, click on the mutual fund. You have an option. You want to start an SIP or you want to do a lump sum. If you click on lump sum, it will ask you the amount. Just enter the amount. Continue to pay. Okay, you just verify and pay, and automatically it will be your amount will be deducted from your bank account and it will be invested in the mutual fund which you have selected. On the other hand, if you click on Start SIP, it will ask you what is the amount. So let's take an example. I'm adding 1,000. Then it is asking you the frequency. Now here by default it is monthly. You can change it to quarterly. You can change it to monthly or quarterly. Okay. Now so it is telling you that first payment will be deducted today. The next payment will be deducted on 24th April 2025. Okay. Continue SIP until I stop. So it will be continued. Okay. Let's take an example. Now, if you click on continue and pay, if you click on continue and pay, it will ask you to verify and pay the 1,000 rupees. So automatically a mandate will be created. Okay. And your SIP would be deducted. Okay. So surely explore our mutual fund section. Popular NFO, new fund offerings which are coming, you will be able to see here. Okay. Now, for example, if I click on Tata BSC Quality Index Fund, okay, this is something a new NFO which is coming. So minimum investment, it is 5 days. It is closing in 3 days. Okay, which is 28 March. The face value is this 10. Uh, who is the fund manager? You can uh, you know. Check the details of the fund manager here. It is asking the minimum investment, okay, exit load fees, lock-in period. Is there any lock-in period or something? No. So click on invest now, continue and pay, and again verify and pay, and you'll be able to purchase that. Okay. So you can check new fund. If you place any order, you can check in the all orders section. Okay. Um, your SIPs, your ongoing SIPs, you can check your ongoing SIPs here. Okay, which other SIPs going on? You can check the auto pay. Okay, any mandates which are created, or you want to create a mandate, okay, of any amount to be deducted, you can create a mandate here. Okay. uh you click on SIP with 100. If you want to start small, you can start small. Okay. No hard and fast rule that you want to you need to invest 1,000, 5,000 every month or whatever. You can start as low as 100 also. So you can check the top picks, check the top performing funds here. Okay. Uh, you can check the return. Now, for example, uh, you click on I want to invest 1,000. You check lump sum returns. Okay. So let's say automatically it will tell. Now, for example, if you invest 1,000 today, okay, in lump sum, 3 years return for any particular fund, automatically you will say that 2,296.26 is the return what you can expect. Okay, you can change the return year, 3 year, 5 year, 1 year, whatever. Okay, so this is the mutual fund section. On the equity section, as I said, if you scroll down, you will get to activate your DDPI. You click on authorize now, put your details. Okay, sign now, put your Aadhaar card details. OTP will be sent, authorize, get OTP, done. Once you do that, you will be able to uh, submit the request to activate your DDPI. Okay. Once that is done, it will take 2 working days to activate the DDPI. Again, on the home screen, you will find the market movers, the gainers, the losers, 52-week high, 52-week low stocks. Okay. Also, you have live trading strategy, bullish, bearish, patterns and charts, everything you will have in one place. You have the popular ETF section. Okay. Again, ETFs, as I said, zero brokerage. So you can check all the ETFs which are there. Okay. You can check in the spotlight section what are the what is there in the spotlight. So we have pick of the week, which is Surya Roshni Limited stock. Okay. This is a research recommended stock. You click on buy. It tells you, what is the current price. So on the profile settings, you have MTF pay later facility as well. Okay, if you check MTF eligible stocks, you'll be able to see what are the stocks in which you are eligible to trade in MTF. Okay. Profile settings, as I said, in the profile setting, activate segments. Currently, my segment is activated, so you are able to see here. Okay. Now, so if you see on the hamburger right hand side, there's an icon. This is the stories icon. Okay, we have a new feature which is there. Okay, all the details, new updates about our product, our about our app is updated here. Okay, so you will be able to see here. Now, in the tools, you have options trading. Now, so you want to start options trading, you can simply click on options trading, and you'll be able to check the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, Fin Nifty charts. You can simply click here. You will be able to get the option chain, the strike price. Okay, click on any strike price you wish to. Okay, click on buy. Okay, you can add to basket, or directly you can start trading. Okay, so now um, let's take an example. I'm selecting 199, 191.80 the strike price. I will just review my order. Okay, one lot. What is the amount required? This is the breakup. The margin required, the brokerage, the charges. Okay, and click on place trade, or my order will be placed. We have the research section, as I said, where to invest section. Since you're new, if you're new, since you're new and you don't know where to explore, you can certainly explore the research section and buy. So we have live calls here. We have 32 stocks pick of the week which are live. Okay. We have FNO calls which are live, MTF calls which are live, and here you'll get all the details. Okay. Already up by 4% in the last 7 days, or down by any particular percentage. So yeah, these are the stocks. These are the this is the research section where you can check our experts. Okay. IPO is something, if you have a new IPO, you can check, you can apply for the new IPO, simply select the lot size, proceed to peer review, and automatically mandate will be created and you have to accept the mandate there. Okay. So we have IPO, we have MTF. On the ETF, you have ETF. All the ETFs here mentioned, you can simply click on any ETF. Okay, click on buy. Uh, you can start an SIP in ETF as well. Okay, a stock SIP in ETF. You can do a normal buy, delivery. Okay, market price. You see, you can check the charges here. The Sky brokerage as per scheme is zero. Okay, only external charges. We don't charge anything on ETFs. If you want to search any stock, simply search icon is here. Search any stock, let's say Zomato. Let's click on buy. If you want to start an SIP, select SIP order here. Type the quantity. Let's take an example of 10 quantity. To set up a frequency, daily 10 quantity, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Okay. Let's take an example for monthly. Okay. What time you want to start the SIP? You can select the date and time. Okay. 9:30 or whatever time you want to. Review your order and create SIP order. Once you create, the order will be created. You simply have to make your funds available on the given date and time in your demat account. Okay, and automatically the SIP amount will be deducted for whatever quantity you have mentioned. Okay, if you want to place a normal equity order, you click on buy. any exchange, NSE, BSE. If you can select, you just type your quantity. Let's take an example 10. Now, if you click on intraday, which means that you have to you are buying today, you have to square off your order before 3:30. Okay. If you don't do that, automatically order will be square off. Okay, that is called intraday trading. Okay, you have to trade within the trading window. Okay, delivery means that you can hold the stocks for more than T plus 1 day. Okay, and MTF means that buy now pay later facility, that you buy stocks worth rupees XYZ. Now, for example, currently Zomato is trading at 213. Okay, I buy 10 quantity. If I select delivery, you see that the amount which I have to pay is 2.13K. Okay, but if I click on MTF, simply buy with MTF, I just have to pay 960.20. The remaining amount will be paid by HDFC Securities, that is Sky. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, and so MTF delivery intraday is the product type. Okay, ऑर्डर यू कैन प्लेस अ मार्केट ऑर्डर में आपका जो ऑर्डर है वो करंट मार्केट प्राइस पे जाएगा यू कैन प्लेस अ लिमिट ऑर्डर ऑर्डर स्टॉप लॉस मार्केट ऑर्डर ओके एंड यू कैन प्लेस अ जीटीडी ऑर्डर and you can place a book profit or in stop loss, but that is for the sell order. Okay. So now this is what exactly it is. You have the watch list section. You click on watch list. You can create your own watch list and you can track your stocks. Okay. Simply search any stock. I'm taking an example. Okay, Nika, and I click here. Watch list 5. Save changes. Automatically, you will be able to see that the stock is added to my watch list 5. Yes. You'll be able to track your stocks here. Okay. And portfolio section, in the portfolio section, you'll be able to see what are your holdings. Currently, I don't have any holdings. So you'll be able to see what are your holding. In the position section, you'll be see what are the positions taken by you today. Okay. You will be able to see the MTF position taken by you today, and you'll be able to see your mutual funds investments here. Okay. So this is the portfolio orders. May you'll be able to see what all orders are placed by you. Okay. Normal order, GTD order, SIP order. You on the order section you will see. So you can explore the app, download the app. Request you to download the app, explore the app as much as you can, so that you will be able to understand, you know, how the app works. So yeah, that's it for today from my end. Okay. If you have any questions, please drop your questions in the chat box. I'll be more than happy to answer that. All right, then, since we don't have any questions, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful investment journey going forward. Thank you.